Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 7 says solve the following. 5/8 x plus 3/2 equals 3/4. So I have an equation and I can go through my equation solving steps. The first step is to eliminate any fractions on both sides of the equation by multiplying every term by the least common denominator. So I have denominators of 8, 2, and 4. If I look at the largest of those denominators, which is 8, I know that 2 is a factor of 8 and also 4 is a factor of 8. And so therefore my least common denominator will be 8. So I'm going to multiply the left side by 8 and the right side by 8. 8 divides into 8 one time, and 1 times 5x will be 5x. Plus 2 divides into 8 4 times, and 4 times the numerator of 3 will be 12. So the left side I have 5x plus 12. On the right side I'm going to do a similar process. 4 divides into 8 twice. 2 times the numerator, which is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now that I've cleared out the fractions and my left and right sides are both simplified, I'm down to a two-step. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides in order to isolate the variable term. 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 plus 5x is 5x. And 6 minus 12 is negative 6. Last step, I'll divide both sides by 5 in order to make the coefficient equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1x, and negative 6 divided by 5 is not a clean division, so I can just express the answer in fraction form. X would equal negative 6/5.